Okay, everybody, check this one. What do I have here? I got two mirrors kept at some angle, and I kept a small piece of clay over there. Two images can be seen right now. Now, if I decrease the angle, it's more than 90 right now. If I keep it at 90 degree, you will see three images. This is the case of 90 degree. So at 90 degree, we see three images between the mirror. No matter where you keep the object, you will see three images. 1, 2, 3. Three images. Symmetrically, right in between, three images. Asymmetrically, anywhere else, three images. Let me keep it back symmetrically, right in between. Alright, so now let me decrease the angle less than 90. So the number of images will keep on increasing. Four images can be seen right now. Let me decrease the angle further. So now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images. Let me decrease the angle further. And number of images will keep on increasing. Right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 images can be seen. Alright, so now if I decrease the angle further, number of images will keep on increasing. So it's less than 30 degree now, and number of images right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 images can be seen. Alright, so if you decrease the angle between the mirror, number of images will keep on increasing. Now let me ask you a question. What if I keep them parallel? I mean, parallel means the angle between the mirror is 0. So between the parallel mirrors, you know what, we get infinite images. So this activity was regarding number of images between the mirrors kept at particular angle. So let me repeat, between the parallel mirrors we get infinite images. So you might have seen that infinity well wala science project. So infinity well wala science project, behind that this is the physics. Between the parallel mirrors we get infinite images. Alright, so what do I have here? Two parallel mirrors. Alright, and in between I kept an object. So let's see how many images I can manage to see, or I can see multiple images. Theoretically infinite images are formed between the two parallel mirrors, but I can manage to see I can see multiple images. Alright, the angle is not proper, and if the first mirror is semi-transparent, alright, first mirror is opaque actually. If it is two-way mirror, we can see infinite images, and that is the physics behind infinity well. Infinite images or multiple images can be seen between the parallel mirrors. Theoretically infinity, but far away images are quite blurred because the intensity is getting decreased. So yeah, but you can see the multiple images, right? Theoretically we should get infinite images, and in case of infinity well, we are having one semi-transparent mirror through which we can see the images easily. Alright, no problem. गहरा दिख रहा है ना एकदम, looking very deep, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.